A very good morning to all my 10th class students. Yesterday, I have told you that we are going to discuss one very important topic of your civics first chapter, power sharing. Why power sharing is desirable? Main thing is there, power sharing is desirable only for the smooth working of the government. In this topic, there is one very important question: what is one prudential region and one moral region of power sharing? As it is written that, let us call the first set of reasons prudential and the second moral. While prudential regions stress that power sharing will bring out better outcomes, moral region emphasizes the very act of power sharing as valuable. In other words, we can say that prudential region is that should be no conflict between the communities and the caste. And moral sharing is there people of every religion, every caste and every creed live peacefully together. This happens only in India. India is the biggest democratic country in the world. Next topic is that it is not a topic, it is a case study. Like it is written, in the city of Beirut, there lived a man called Khalil. His parents came from different communities. His father was an Orthodox Christian and mother a Sunni Muslim. This was not so uncommon in this modern cosmopolitan city. People from various communities that lived in Lebanon came to live in this capital, Beirut. They lived together, intermingled, yet fought a bitter civil war among themselves. One of the Khalil's uncle was killed in that war. Now, the basic essence of this topic, Khalil's dilemma, is, as the topic suggests, dilemma means confusion. Khalil's dilemma is, Khalil will follow which religion? Either he follow the Christian religion as his father does, and either he follow the Muslim religion as his mother does. Now, what do you think in this regard? In the city of India, in the country of India, people always follow the father's religions. But in other countries, the citizens are free to follow any religion with respect to his or her mother or his or her father. Now, next topic is that forms of power sharing. First is power is shared among different organs of the government. As I told you earlier, the structure of the union government in which the executive, legislature and judiciary are there, they are the organs of the government, not branches. Branches are there. Executive के अंदर क्या branches आता है? President, Prime Minister and Council of Ministers. In legislature, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, and in judiciary, Supreme Court, High Court and District Court. These are the branches. But executive, legislature and judiciary are the three organs of the government. Second point is there, power can be shared among government at different levels. Now here it comes, the President, Prime Minister and Council of Ministers. Prime Minister in a country takes any decision only after the advice of President and the Council of Ministers. Likewise, President also does the same thing. Third point is there, powers may also be shared among different social groups such as the religious and linguistic groups. Religious groups, you know, that Hindu, Muslim, Christian, etc. And linguistic group means the group speaking different languages like Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Hindi, Urdu, English, etc. In these also power sharing is done because in a particular office many people are there who can speak different languages. Now all the people speaking different languages work in a particular office peacefully. Here also, like in Belgium, such as the Religious Linguistic Group, community government in Belgium is a good example of this arrangement. In Belgium also, as you have studied earlier, there are many linguistic groups of Dutch, French and German. Like the chapter suggests, it is written also in the chapter that here the community government is made. Apart from the central in the Belgium, apart from the central and state government, there is a third kind of government. This is community government elected by the people belonging to one language community, Dutch, French and German speaking, no matter where they live. This government has the power regarding cultural, educational and language related issues. Now, like in this way in India also it is done. Now, fourth point is there. The political parties, social groups, pressure groups and other political movements came forward to share power and also control or influence people who are in power government. Like take the example of pressure group. These are the groups which pressurize the government to make them to agree to the demands. Political groups are there, many social groups are there, and political parties are also there. Like in India, there are more than 750 political parties. But we know very little parties who work in our constituencies. Now, the basic chapter is completed, but some questions are there which we will discuss in next class. Okay, thank you and be safe.